छोट परदार हो कि बड़ परदार अथवा वेब सीरीज सबुठी निजक प्रमाणित कर सारी बॉलीवुड ब्यूटी लेखा प्रजापति तेबे आज से गोटे फैशन शो रो पार्ट होगापाई शो स्टॉपर होगापाई आज से भुवनेश्वर आछंती तांको सहित सीधा सड़क कथा हेबा किभली रहिला तांकर ओडिशा आसीबार एक्सपीरियंस आउ केमिति तांकर करियर जर्नी थिला ता विषय अधिक तांको सहित आलोचना करिबा। मैडम वेलकम टू News 7 and welcome to Odisha too. So how did you be here and what was your experience till now?
Okay, Jai Jagannath Orissa. I would like to start my interview by saying that this is for the very first time I've come to Orissa, and it is wonderful. I'm walking as a showstopper for Bhubaneswar Times Fashion Week 2025 for Sujatam, and it is a lovely brand. As you can see, I'm wearing Sujatam right now, and we have just finished the fashion show, and you know it is a blend of Banaras and Calcutta. And let me just tell you, the attire that I'm wearing took almost 4 months to make it, and it is absolutely hand woven, and there were 6 to 7 artists, artisans who were constantly working on it. And I'm really happy that I am in Bhubaneswar, I am in Orissa right now, and this for the very first time I'm here.
Since you came here for the first time, so up to now, what was your experience and how did you find this city?
I am absolutely excited. Let me just say this, from the airport when I was coming to my hotel, it's a very clean city. It's a very well organized and a very clean city. And tomorrow I'm going to Puri Jagannath temple, so I'm very excited for the darshan.
Okay, you have worked with television people. You have worked in a web series, and the most iconic movie and that significant feature of your role is in Fukre 3.
Yeah.
So, how could you play such versatile acts there?
Yeah, so Abhi, currently, I am a part of CID, which is the longest running show of India, and I'm playing a cop in the show. And in Fukre, I had a comical role wherein I'm playing comedy. But I think as an artist, you need to explore. As an artist, you need to explore all. As an artist, there are no rasas, which no ras hote as an artist. And I feel, I'm lucky enough to explore all the rasas. And it has been a wonderful journey. I come from an absolutely non-filmy background, and, with hard work and, probably with persistence, I am here in front of you today.
See, ma'am, many of people speak about nepotism in the Bollywood. So, what would be your voice in that?
See, of course, nepotism does exist, but what can I do about it is, the most important question. There's a saying that it is not important how you fall. It is really important what you do after that fall. How do you pick yourself, and how do you keep going? So of course nepotism does exist, but honestly nepotism does exist in every industry, be it journalism, be it fashion, be it films, be it entrepreneurship, be it business, be it any other field. So tomorrow, if my father is a director or producer, he would like to cast me, and he would like to promote and push me. So yeah, I mean it does exist, but it all depends on what you do after that.
Okay, being an artist, if you would get chance to work with our regional language, that is Odisha in Odia, so would you like to be here?
Absolutely, yes. Acha, tell me, who's your Odisha superstar male?
Anubhav, I can take his name.
So I would like to work with Anubhav, and I would like to work with Anubhav then.
Okay, so what is your plan in Bollywood next?
CID is going on currently. There's this one film which is called Sali Mohabbat, which has been directed by Tiska Chopra ji, which has been produced by Manish Malhotra. That's going to come out. And last year, Rafu Chakkar had come out. Last year, Fukre 3 came out, for which I got the Best Actor Award 2025 in comedy segment. And yeah, so yeah, the things are going on, and I'm really happy to be here. This is for the very first time I've come to Bhubaneswar, and I would like to come here more often.
Okay, ma'am, since you came here and you experienced the people here, and you walked, you are here for a handloom work. So, what would you like? Do you know about Odisha handloom, that is Sambalpuri? Would you like to speak about that?
See, handloom heritage is not something very new to India. It is a very old technique, and very old hobby, I would say, which people have turned into income earning segment. And I feel, these artists, when I got to know that the sari that I'm wearing took 4 months to make, and there were 6 to 7 artists who were working 24/7 on it, and everything is hand woven, like every detail has been done with a hand. So I think, of course, with globalization and with machines coming in, their income has been reduced, and we really need to take care of it, because ये हमारी भारत की धरती है, ये भारत का culture है, it is our Indian culture, it is our Indian tradition, and it needs to be protected.
Okay. Lastly, what would you like to speak to your fans through our screen?
Please keep watching me on CID. I am playing Officer Kritika in CID, and of course, there is a comical, comical attachment to the character. And please watch our fashion show whenever you can. It's going to be online very, very soon. And keep loving us, keep watching our films. We really, really need you guys. Post pandemic, the things have not been very great, especially for our film industry. So please come to theater, please, and I promise you, we'll make your money and time worth it.
Okay, and what is your message to the newcomer who are choosing this artistic line?
Just be clear, be focused, and do not miss your individuality, because individuality is utmost important. Every new guy or new girl wants to be a Deepika Padukone or a Shah Rukh Khan, but Shah Rukh Khan already exists, guys, and Deepika Padukone also exists. So what are you coming up with, and what are you getting in? So that is very important. Never lose your individuality, and just keep working hard, and stay close to your family and friends.
Thank you so much, madam, that you spoke to us, and it was truly great to talk to you here. तो आपण माने सुनुथिले लेखा मैडम को आम स्क्रीन रे. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. आपण माने देखुथिले न्यूज़ 7 और न्यूज़ 7 रे लेखा प्रजापति मैडम को, और कैमरा पर्सन बसंत को सह शीला पटनायक, न्यूज़ 7.